Alright fellas, found another deal on Craigslist that popped up the other day during Bruce Allen live stream, and it looked like such a good deal that I went ahead and stopped by. Another one of those deals where guy's kind of retiring, selling off his tools. So I went ahead and swooped on by to see what he had. He had some fairly decent shit. First thing I got here was this 16 gauge finish nailer, 1 to 2.5 inches. I don't know if also does staples or not. Looks just like a regular old nailer. So, but hooked her up to his air. She works. So went ahead and picked that up. Even got a few tack nails in there too. So yeah, that went ahead and got this here big ass Armstrong seat. I don't know if they call that 9 inches right there, maybe 8 inches with the butt, but it's one of the bigger ones I have now, so I'm sure that'll come in handy. That might actually work as a fucking ball joint press if you get a big enough socket or cup or whatever adapter set. That motherfucker's huge. And there it is, if you can read that Armstrong right there. But yeah, it's a fucking huge deal. He brazed on a brass piece here for something. They got me a little speeder wrench here. Little quicker dicker. And she's a proto. So that's nice. Really nice knurling there. It's awfully rough. You can get a grip onto that easy with some oily ass hands. So vice grips or China grips. I think these two are China grips. This one's China grip too. Never had too many of these big C vice grips, especially if you're welding and doing shit like that. Got me a itty bitty pair of channel locks. Actually, Powercraft. Doesn't say USA or anything. Probably not. Probably China. But those things are so cute. I couldn't pass up throwing them in the bucket. And then this is an old Craftsman, round-headed. It's a 40 tooth, 44 tooth. Got the finger groove on the back there. Works both directions. It's an older one. Might not be an older one. It does not say made in USA on it anywhere. It's Craftsman. There's the number there. 43,795. Got me this here stud puller, installer puller. It's a New Britain, which is an American company. And my stud installer I have only has the one big hole. This one's got the two. It's more like the Facom one that they make now. Facom, Facom, whatever. But I like these. These work great when you can get them on the stud, and you have room to actually fucking swing this thing, this big boy around whatever the hell you're working on. They work great. Found me some more snap ring pliers. These here don't have names on them, but they sure do look like some of the Mac ones that I have already. And then this little pair, Matco, USA. These are nice and old because Matco doesn't do a whole lot of USA stuff. Not as much as they used to. got me a few more spark plug sockets. There's an SK 13/16. They're not the magnetic ones, but that's good enough to throw in my chainsaw box and take it out with me. There's another 13/16. It's snap-on. Another 5/8. It's also snap-on. So got some good shit here. And I'm not even done. Picked up this here too, which there's the finger spinner, snap-on, 3/8. Put her on your ratchet and you have a little finger drive there, thumb drive. And this right here is another one of those. Flip it and turn your breaker bar into a ratcheting breaker bar. Uh, 24 teeth in that, so it's not a real tight, application, but that's pretty bulky anyway. Got this set here, and it is quarter-inch deep well metric snap-on from 15 all the way down to 4.5, except for the 8 is a proto. So that really will not bother me at all. Again, all the way down to the 4.5, and it's also snap-on. So got this too. Snap-on screwdrivers. Got a couple really long ones in here. The old flat blade. And then got the old number 2, super long, 20 inches. There's only one number 1, and then the rest of these are all number 2. Old style, square plastic handles, the good stuff. Lasts forever. And finally, Cornwell tools. It's a Lug Nut Socket set. Goes from 1 1/16 inch all the way down to 3/4. Then has a 17, 19, and 21. So, which is good because I need this 13/16 for my old Chevy truck. Because I need that thin wall that goes in there. These also have a dicky-doo plug in there, so I don't know if that's supposed to stay in there all the time or what the deal is, but these don't look like they've been used very often. It looks like mainly just this here 19 and of course 3/4, which is 19 also. So yeah, it's a pretty nice little set. I was actually looking at trying to get one of these even through Harbor Freight in Pittsburgh, but I never really stopped by to grab one yet. And that's good because I found this one. So all this shit here plus this bucket cost me $60. So I think I did alright. I'm not sure what these here screwdrivers run or this, but I'm guessing I got my $60 in either one of those. So not to mention the deep well metric quarter sockets, that's way more than $60 in a snap-on truck, just the deep wells. So yeah, anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge, gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.